Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Papa John's Pizza and Delivery app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Papa John's is a pizza delivery app designed to make ordering your favorite pizzas, sides, and desserts faster and easier. The app allows users to browse the full menu, customize pizzas with various crusts, toppings, and sauces, and schedule deliveries or pickups from the nearest Papa John's location. It's available on both iOS and Android, offering secure payment options and real-time order tracking for convenience. The app's main feature is its Papa Rewards program. Every order earns points that can be redeemed for free food and exclusive deals. Users can also save favorite orders, apply promo codes directly, and receive special offers based on their location and purchase history. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate the app's smooth interface, accurate delivery tracking, and the ability to customize orders easily. The reward system and regular discounts make it appealing for frequent customers. However, there are some drawbacks. A few users have reported occasional glitches when applying coupons or tracking orders, and delivery times may vary depending on location and demand. In summary, the Papa John's app may be worth using if you love pizza and want an easy way to order, track, and save on meals through rewards and offers. However, if you prefer in-person ordering or face inconsistent delivery in your area, it might not add much value beyond the website. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.